La 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 la. There once was a farmer, happy and kind. He planted good seed with a peaceful mind. But in the night, while all were asleep, an enemy came and made a sneak. He scattered weeds in the farmer's land and tiptoed off with a sneaky plan. Let the wheat and the weeds both grow. God will sort them, that we know. Wait till harvest, don't be fast. The truth will shine through at last. Good will win, so don't you fear. God is watching, always near. Let love grow in your heart, so true. And He'll take care of me and you. The workers saw the weeds one day. Should we pull them right away? But the farmer shook his head, and with a smile he wisely said, No, no, wait until the time is right. We'll sort it all in the harvest light. Let the wheat and the weeds both grow. God will sort them, that we know. Wait till harvest, don't be fast. The truth will shine through at last. Good will win, so don't you fear. God is watching, always near. Let love grow in your heart, so true. And He'll take care of me and you. Sometimes bad things come our way, but God is with us every day. So don't be quick to judge or fight. He knows what's wrong, He knows what's right. Let the wheat and the weeds both grow. God will sort them, that we know. Be the wheat, be kind and true. Let your light shine through and through. Good will win, so sing this song. Trust in Him your whole life long. Let love grow in your heart, so true. And He'll take care